Hi, welcome back to our channel Home Tuition Tamil. Today's topic Third Standard Social Science Lesson 1 Question and Answer. Name the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Name the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Bharadiyar, Tirupurkumaran, Subramaniya Shiva. Bharadiyar, Tirupurkumaran, Subramaniya Shiva. 2. Name some poems written by Bharadiyar. Name some poems written by Bharadiyar. வந்தே மாதரம் அச்சமில்லை எந்தையும் தாயும் வந்தே மாதரம் அச்சமில்லை எந்தையும் தாயும் Write about the Swadeshi Stream Shipping Company. Write about the Swadeshi Stream Shipping Company. V.O. Sidambaram started the Swadeshi Stream Shipping between Tuticorin and Colombo, British ships. V.O. Sidambaram started the Swadeshi Stream Shipping between Tuticorin and Colombo, British ships. 5. Write a short note on Tirupur Kumaran. Tirupur Kumaran was born on Tirupur. Tirupur Kumaran was born on Tirupur. He started Desabandha Youth Association. He started Desabandha Youth Association. He called us Kodikatha Kumaran. He called us Kodikatha Kumaran. Thank you.